guys, welcome back to my channel. Is this your first time here? My name is Esther Opo. I am a Nigerian YouTuber and I live in Calabar. Please kindly subscribe to my channel by hitting the button down below. In today's video, I visited a drill ranch where I saw drill monkeys, large short-tailed rainforest monkeys, which are only found in Nigeria, Cameroon and Equatorial Guinea. And in Nigeria, it is found in Boki local government, Akampa local government of Cross River State. Let's get right into this video. Hi, good afternoon.
You're welcome to a drill ranch. This is drill ranch. So drill ranch is home for all animal. We are also doing a captive program here. We are building this animal in captivity, as you can see. So we are also an home for orphan animal. People turn up here to donate animal to us. Some orphan animal that their parents have been killed. So we take them maybe as a baby. We groom them, we take care of them. If they grow big, we put them in cage. If they can forage for their food, we release them to the normal, they are back to the wild habitation. So this section here is they are called Stratus gunners. So this species here are called Stratus gunners. So the Stratus gunners here are basically Nigerian monkeys, and they are rare species. So it cannot be seen anywhere in the world apart from Nigeria. So when you see the Stratus monkey in Nigeria, it's Cross River State, between the boundary between Cross River and Akwa Ibom. You see them around the boundary area. So you can also see them in Akwa Ibom State. You can see them in Imo State. You can see them in Bayelsa State. So these ones, we are bringing them in captive, and they are also reproducing in captive. So all of them have names, apart from their species name is Stratus, but we also give them names to identify each and every one we have here in the group. For the names we give to them is for report writing, report purpose, not for them to know. So that is the breeding female over there. You can stand here, you have a clear view of it and climb up.
Okay.
So she gives birth to these bright. She gives birth to, okay, that's bright over there. She gives birth to this grass. She gives birth to she has 4 infants here in a group. So in every animal like this, there must be an alpha male. The dominant male, we call it alpha. So the dominant male copulates with the dominant female, the queen, for them to bring their young ones. So their populations time for this one, the female will show any ovulation or heat period or cycle. So whenever it sends the females and knows that she's on heat period, it goes straight and copulate with the female. So after the copulation, they have their babies. So she gets a pregnancy. After their pregnancy, her gestation period, because the pregnancy period is 6 months. After 6 months,
They give birth.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they give birth to the infant. So they also grow in a forest, in a rainforest. But these ones, while we have the infant there, if it's raining, since they are in captivity, so they run towards the shade area for coverage.
Okay.
So of the rain. So they should be at their natural habitations as the wild. So if it's raining, they'll run to a tree, under the tree that have much leaves. So they hide under the leaves for them to cover themselves from the rainfall.
Okay.
So if rain touches them, they will get cold and die. So that's how they can expose themselves to rain for these ones. So their lifespan is from 0 age to 30-35, but it's not mandatory that they will live up to 35 years. So the ones in captivity can attempt to get close to that age, but the ones that the wild won't get close to that age because of the disastrous life they are facing. So one of the disastrous life they are facing is make them to go into extinction. So it declined them in population, increase their population. So this is the alpha male, and Mavia is the alpha male. They just took power from the XT by fighting him and defeating. So
Fighting? How do you mean fighting?
they fought each other.
Like real fights?
Yes, they fought, and they use their hands. They like wrestling, all the other one on the ground. Also jump and target him some points and beat him. So when you beat him with his alpha canine teeth, so they have the canine teeth like dog have canine teeth. So they have the canine teeth that they use for self-defense and attack. So the weaker ones will submit, and the one that win the battle take over the leadership. So it copulates with the female. It doesn't give room for any other one to copulate. So now there is no other big male that can challenge him in the group. So he's free. Other ones eat, recognizing him like the number one guy. So if there is any other big male, those ones will just stay on their own, masturbate when the feeling comes. So they start their maturity. For the female, they start from age 3 to 5, while the male start their maturity from age 5 to 7.
But they don't harm themselves, do they?
Oh, they fight. They pay for each other. They can fight. But whenever the high ranking come, the low ranking will give space for him to fight.
Then I see some of them want something from somebody.
Yeah, that one seen on the ovulation.
Okay, just one.
Yeah, the seen one. We call it ovulation swelling or cycle. So this was a drill monkey. This is a drill monkey. Drill monkey are gotten from 3 countries in the world. So where they are is electrified enclosure. The fence is on, that's why it's sparkling. So the animals are much aware of the danger of the fence. They don't touch the fence. They can forage around the pit, but they don't touch the fence because they know it will shock. Yes. So if human being touches it, it will shock. It shock with a high voltage. It stimulates it. So then
What are they eating?
I press on guinea corn, so they are picking it. So this also they belong to omnivorous animal, which they eat fruit, all different kinds of fruit and plants. So they are not carnivorous. Even if you throw meat to them, they won't eat it.
They don't eat it.
They will only use it and play. They rub it on the sand and drag it and play. So
So what do you guys feed them with?
different kinds of fruits,
Fruits.
banana,
Okay.
oranges, papaya, cucumber, as a lot of you can mention. So this blue monkey, they are getting from 3 countries in the world. Equatorial Guinea. So in Equatorial Guinea, you see them in a small piece of land called Bioko Island. That is where they are found in Equatorial Guinea. So in Cameroon too, you see them in southeastern province of Cameroon. So Nigeria also a place that you can see a blue monkey in a large quantity.
Cameroon and Nigeria.
Yeah. So Nigeria is a place too that you can see them in a large quantity of drones. So what you can see them in Nigeria is Cross River State precisely. So where you see them in Cross River State is Goku, Boki local government and Nakampa. So they are endangered species. They grow in the rainforest. So these ones they can stay in the rain. If you don't call them drill monkey, you call them large short-tail rainforest monkey. So if it's raining, they can stay in the rain for how long it rains. So it doesn't affect them. But what they do, they will carry the infants under their belly and climb up and sit on top there with their infants. So when it's raining, they won't forage, they won't be on the ground foraging, but after the rain, they will come down and keep on with their normal activity. So drills are also semi-terrestrial animal which they can patrol around their small territory. So we have over 600 of them in captivity in Boki. So we also have the wild ones at Boki.
Wild.
They are the wild ones. The ones that are wild, that are wild ones that are walking in the forest.
Okay.
So, but what they are facing is same deforestation, hunting, and setting forest on fire for farming and clearing of bushes. So that's what they are suffering. That's what makes them go extinction too. So yeah, it's endangered to see that we are supposed to be protecting them, follow the law of conservation, not kill them. But people are still killing them for local bushmeat fertilizers. So people eat them now.
That's the bush meat.
Yes, these ants. Move down from there. So people kill them for bushmeat. You know bushmeat?
I know, but I don't know, like, they'll kill monkeys. I thought maybe antelope.
Plenty. They kill monkeys too.
I can eat bush and eat monkey, I know.
So people kill them like bushmeat. So they carry their pregnancy for 6 months. After 6 months, they also put to bed. Their lifespan is same like the other one, 30 to 35. But it's not necessary that they must reach 35. So this is the return of the first one we started with my name Calabar back in 1988. This one himself, one of my colleagues just made
That
it.
one's one bone. So big.
That's the version now.
Yeah.
It's not the one that.
I know.
So she one of the version. So
if you want, do you feed them? Do you give them food? Throw food into.
yeah, we go in with
You
the
go
barrel
in?
of food. The animal, they know they are working with human beings, but when you don't get close to them, they won't attack you. Even if you get close to them, but you look at them eyeball to eyeball, you try. By the time you don't like an eye contact, if you look at them eyeball to eyeball, they suspect you have something in your innermost mind to do them, so they might attack you anyway, but they will face not you. So you have to know those signs. So they communicate with each other. They communicate with sign and sound. So
How do you know which one is a male?
this one is a male. The short ones are female. The short 20 ones are female. While the male are bigger than the female in sizes. This one is a young male. It's still growing up.
This one?
Yeah.
This one like this is
Yeah.
young.
Yeah, that's how
It
it's a
looks
young
so
male.
big.
Then all this about the other guy. Where is that camera? That guy. Pepper. That pepper is one of the
This
big
one is the
male.
one.
The other one is bigger than this one. So that's their king.
Where's the king? That one
He's
there.
on himself. I have not seen that camera. Yeah, he seems in the cage. Oh. So their king fights for power. They fight for power. Then the same thing. The winner takes the group and lead. So the loser fall back to be a low ranking. So when they are fighting, you don't even go in because they might turn the aggression on you by attacking you. They use their penalties. It's very sharp and long. So when they are about to fight, anyone that are about to fight with each other, Even it's not only the king that fights. Some, like the young male, can find another young male for supremacy. So they will see them sharpening their teeth. So they will attack, they bite, they beat.
So this is the quarantine area for new monkeys and sick monkeys, so they do not infect the other monkeys. This is the end of this video, and I hope that you learned a thing or two from this video, and whenever you find yourself in Calabar, you will visit the Calabar Zoo Ranch. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.